All right, let's make a start with Ielts speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Remember this three-step formula, DEC, direct answer, elaborate your answer, and conclude your answer. So let's start with you. Do you often wear jewelry?
Yeah, yeah. I often wear jewelry on based on occasion, like in a function, in any party. Whenever I go outside, so I used to wear jewelry.
I usually wear jewelry. We use used to in the past tense.
Okay,
So you should say I
I
usually
usually
wear
wear jewelry.
and organize your answer. There should be proper ending in the end of your answer. Okay, let's go on. What type of jewelry do you like?
I really like jewelry, like a very lightweight jewelry, necklace and earrings. But sometimes it could be something like heavy jewelry based on some family function or any close party and whatever like that. So it based on the situation. But I personally like lightweight jewelry.
All right. Do you usually buy jewelry?
Yeah, I usually buy jewelry whenever I go outside, whenever there is any kind of offer available in different brands. So I used to purchase jewelry.
I mostly
I
purchase
mostly
jewelry.
purchase
I
jewelry.
usually purchase jewelry, but don't use I used to.
Okay.
I used to is in the past. Otherwise, you can say I am used to purchasing jewelry. I am used
I'm
to
used to
means it's a
purchasing
habit.
jewelry.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Why do you think some people wear jewelry for a long time?
Um, being a woman, there are so many reasons because in daily routine we wear some kind of light jewelry, like a ring or earrings. So most of the women wear jewelry on daily routine life, some kind of light jewelry. So
Okay.
they purchase this kind of jewelry very much and used to wear.
They usually wear. In all four questions, you did the same mistake. Used to wear.
They usually
They
wear.
usually wear. Okay, let's go on. It's your turn. What type of things make you feel happy?
There are many things that makes me happy,
That make me feel happy. Many things
that
that
make
make me
me feel
feel
happy.
happy.
Such as I love to watch movies. Sometimes I read a book. It's really rare to find time for myself. So whenever I find some time to make me happy, I usually go for things that pleases me.
Things that please
Please
me,
me.
not pleases me, okay? And you need to talk about the things. For example, first of all, whenever I chat with my friends, it gives me immense pleasure, right? Secondly, now talk about second thing, and finally talk about third thing. Now let's go on. What makes you feel sad?
There are a lot of things that makes me sad,
That make me feel sad.
make me
And
feel
you know
sad.
you're using the same structure in every answer. So if you do the repetition, that will be one of the reasons for low band score. So what makes you feel sad?
There are things that make me feel sad, uh, such as if uh, if something is not according to my mood, if my mother made a dinner that I don't like, it turns my mood off, and if I have to go somewhere and my dad has to drop me, and he finds some reason for being if he's late and he can't do that for me. So
Okay, so this answer is unclear. You need to be very clear and logical about your answers. Now let's go on. What do you do when you feel bored?
I watch TV and I read. Sometimes I go out, and uh, the thing I mostly do is I go to my balcony with a cup of tea, and sometimes uh, I look outside and enjoy these scenes. Sometimes I find my pleasure in watching traffic, or sometimes there are kids playing in the park. So there are many things that please me,
Many things that please
please
me.
me.
But the question is, what do you do when you feel bored? So you need to focus on that, okay? So till the end of your answer, your focus should be very clear. And try not to repeat the same structure time and again, right?
Right.
Thank you so much.